Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Wassallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wasallam. Walhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay. Good morning everyone. So today is Thursday, 16th of April. Our topic today is going to be sama je macam kemarin, but okay, so yesterday we did simplifying algebraic expression. We did that, but with addition and subtractions only. Today we are going to do multiplication and division. Okay, so let's try with example. Now, I know I have taught you this before. X times X times X. How many X are there? 1, 2, 3. So, this becomes X to the power of, correct, 3. Okay, pernah kan dulu teacher lihatkan this one? Okay, as simple as that. Next one, next example, X times Y times Z. So, X times Y times Z. So this becomes X, Y, Z. Okay, it's easy as that. Like I told you before, kalau macam ni, nada plus, nada minus, nada division in between these two alphabets, that it means durang ni kena multiply. Okay, so X times Y times Z becomes X, Y, Z. Okay, next one. Simple one. 3. So we introduce numbers now, okay? 3 times X gives you 3X. Okay, so this means 3 times X. Moving on. Six times A times A times B. Okay, so we have a number. We have unknown, unknown, unknown. How many unknowns do we have? We have 2, A and B. Okay, so let's do this one by one. 6 times A. How many A's are there? 2. So A to the power of 2, or A squared, times B. B-nya berapa? 1 saja. Okay, then we simplify this further. 6 A square B. Okay, buang saja multiplication ya, because we know kalau macam mana, kalau ada sign in between them, it means multiplication. Okay, moving on to a much longer expression. 5 times B times B times 3 times A times A times A. Okay, now let's do our S to S here. So first thing first, apa Tani lihat dulu tadi? Tani lihat mana nombor, mana letters, unknowns. So let's look at number 5 here. So we have 5 times B times B times 3 times A times A times A. So we have numbers. Numbers Tani 5 and 3. Let's just highlight them here. 5 and 3. This one ada lagi pakai wives and husband ya. Pasal ia times saja. Okay. Times and division indah pakai wife and husband. Alright. Next, we have satu numbers and then we have two unknowns. What are the unknowns? B and A. Okay. So what are we doing? Step 1. What are we doing? Step 1. Step 1 is we arrange. Okay. We check first. Check the numbers. And letters. And then we arrange them. And arrange. Arrange artinya susun. Ini dia together ni. 5 di sini. Sekali 3-nya jauh. So let's susun them together. So numbers with numbers. Letters with letters. So 5 times 3 times. Apa tadi buat dulu? A or B? Remember the rules? In alphabetical order. So tadi buat A lah dulu. A times A times A times B times B. So that's step 1. We have checked numbers and letters. Tadi highlight durang supaya tadi tidak confused. And then we arrange them. 5 and 3 together. A dulu pasal alphabetical order and then B. Okay? And then senang tiap. So we simplify them. Numbers with numbers. Letters with letters. So that is one of the rules. So step 2. Multiply or divide. Divide. There you go. All right. So 5 times 3. What's 5 times 3? Exactly. 15. Okay. Times. Berapa A ni? 1, 2, 3. So A to the power of 3. Times. How many B? 2. So B to the power of 2 or B squared. Okay. Then as your answer, you can write it down as 15 A cubed, okay, or A to the power of 3, B to the power of 2, or B squared. So your answer is 15 A cubed and B squared. Alright? Okay. Let me give you more example. Let me erase this first. Okay, example 6. Now, let's give you division. 2 over 4 times x. Now, teacher pernah ajar kamu dulu last year multiplication of fraction. Now, we have a fraction here. 2 over 4 times x. If times, you can only multiply the whole number. This is a whole number with the numerator. So this becomes 2 times x gives you 2x over 4. 2 over 4. Can you reduce it? Yes. So, 2 over 4. Divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Over 4 divided by 2 is 2. Can you simplify this further? No. So, you have 1 over 2. Jangan lupa apa? X. Okay, so step 3. Simplify or reduce. If can, kalau dapat saja. Kalau ini dapat, dan ini dapat lah. Okay, so your answer is 1x over 2 or 1x is the same as x. Pasal 1x ni 1 times x kan? So 1 times x is x over 2. That's your answer. Let's try more example. So we have 2y cubed over y. Oh, what are we going to do with this? Check numbers and letters and arrange. Okay, so we have numbers 2, letters near y to the power of 3 or y cubed over y. Step 2, multiply and divide. Can we multiply anything? No. Can we divide? Let's see. So, di atas ni, apa artinya ni? What did I tell you just now? 2y artinya 2 times y. Tapi y-nya berapa kali? 3 kali kan? So, 2 times y times y times y over y. Okay, we have done this before. We cancel. Remember cancelling the 0. Kalau ada 0 di atas sama 0 di bawah, then you can cancel. Now, ini sama juga. Ada y di atas, y di bawah. Tapi y di atas 3 buting, y di bawah sebuting. So, you can only cancel 1 y. Okay? So, cancel ya. Ada dengannya kawannya di atas, cancel. So, yang tinggal ialah 2 times y times y. This also means 2y. Berapa y-nya? 2. So 2y to the power of 2. 2y squared. That's your answer. Okay. Easy peasy. 1 by 1, huh? Okay. Another one. Something similar. 100. Giving you a bigger number now. 100x over x. What does this mean? 100x. Nada ni tengah-tengahnya. Nada plus, nada minus, no divide. So you know kalau nada tengah-tengah macam mana, it means multiply. So just write it down here. 100 times x over x. Even if you don't write this down, it's okay. X ada di atas, X ada di bawah. What are we supposed to do? What can we do? We cancel out. Okay, taruh saja ke step 3. Simplify, reduce. This means you are reducing. So, X cancel out. Apa yang tinggal? 100. That's your answer. Alright? Okay, last one. Last example for today. So we have 9z cubed over 3z. Okay. Check the numbers, check the letters. So we have 9 over 3. No, actually, we have 9z cubed over 3z. Okay, so the numbers are 9 and 3, and the letters are z cubed and z. Okay, so we need to expand. Buka dulu. Ni, apa artinya ni? Okay, so 9 times z. Z itu berapa kali? 3 kan? So, times z over 3 times z. Okay, so Z ada di atas 3 buting, Z ada di bawah sebuting. So, we can reduce, cancel. So, ni ada kawannya di atas, ada lagi kawannya di bawah, nada kan? So, just leave it be. Alright? Then, okay. I know you can do this. I know some of you can do this straight away. You can cancel out 9 and 3. But I'm just going to show you one by one. So, here yang tinggal di atas is 9Z. How many Z tinggal? 2. So 2 over what? 3. Yang tinggal 3 saja. Pasal Z di bawah sudah kena cancel. Sama 1 Z di atas. Okay. So let me write it down here so you can see. Ani teacher bawa ke atas. So, 9z square over 3. Now I have a questions for all of you. Can you reduce this? 9 and 3. Can or not? If can, then try it. If not, are you sure you cannot reduce this? Okay? So, that's the end of my explanation to you today. So today, your exercise is, right down here, is you are going to do worksheets yang teacher bagi. Page 161 to 162 only. Please use pencil. Write down today's day and date, jangan lupa. And then if you have any questions, you can text me personally, jangan arah group. Okay? Slowly buat one by one. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Good luck.